Today we are going to talk about reversible reaction and equilibrium. So first is sulfur dioxide is formed when sulfur is burned in air. Okay. So sulfur dioxide reacts with the oxygen in presence of catalyst to form sulfur trioxide. This is a reversible reaction. Complete this equation. So reversible means that it has forward as well as backward reaction. So that would be the sign for that. Okay, that is forward as well as backward. Okay. Cobalt chloride can be used to test the presence of water. CoCl2 plus 6H2O gives us CoCl2 plus 6H2O, that is a reversible reaction. The meaning of this symbol is that it's a reversible reaction. Okay. Question number 3. The question is about zinc and compound of zinc. Zinc chloride reacts with water as shown. The solution formed is acidic. Okay, again, that is a reversible reaction because that means that it can go forward as well as backward direction. Okay. Okay, now question number 4. The equation for the reaction between the methanoic acid and ethanol in the presence of catalyst can be represented as shown. Uh, the reaction is reversible and reaches an equilibrium within a closed system. State what is meant by closed system. Closed system means nothing can enter or leave the system. Okay. State 2 characteristic of equilibrium. Rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction, and concentration of reactant and product are constant when they reach equilibrium. Okay. The table show effect of if any concentration of X for each change of condition. For example, temperature, if we decrease the temperature, what will happen to the concentration of X? It will increase. Okay. Now, second is concentration of ACOH, then it will decrease. Okay, decrease. Concentration of both HCOOH and CH3CH2OH are decrease, so that will also result in decrease in the amount of X present. And catalyst is remove no effect. Catalyst can only uh, affect the rate of reaction, not the concentration of the reaction. Okay. Question number 5 is the Haber process is used to manufacture ammonia. State main source of each gas used in the Haber process. Nitrogen we get it from air, and hydrogen we get it from methane, that is a carbohydrate CH4. Okay. The equation for Haber process is N2 plus 3H2 gives us 2 moles of NH3. Okay. That is exothermic reaction because energy is released. So what is meant by the symbol delta H? Delta H means enthalpy change. Okay. Delta H in the forward reaction is 92. State what this value show that the forward reaction is exothermic. The value of delta H is negative, so that means heat is released in the environment. Okay, that's why it is an exothermic reaction. State a typical condition and the name of the catalyst in Haber process. You have to remember that temperature should be 450. Okay, pressure should be 20 kilopascal. And catalyst is, I think, iron. Okay. Okay, complete the table effect of the condition in Haber process change using only the word increase, decrease, or no change. Okay, so first pressure decrease, that will result in decrease in the rate of forward reaction. Okay, then NH3 will also decrease. Okay, uh, temperature increases, that will decrease the uh, NH3 because it's an exothermic reaction. And no catalyst, yes, it will also, catalyst will only affect the rate of reaction, not concentration, so no change. Okay, no change. So that is quite simple. Explain in terms of fusion theory why increasing the temperature increases the rate of reaction. That is a 4-mark question. So simply kinetic energy of the particle increases, That is the first point. Frequency of occlusion between particle increases. Okay, as they have more kinetic energy, they will collide more. Higher percentage or proportion of the particles have greater energy, so more products will be formed. And particles have energy greater than the activation energy, so they will form a product. Most of you guys don't subscribe to my channel. I don't know why. Please subscribe it, share, like with your friends, and if you want to take online classes, you can contact us. We have a great team of teachers that can help you with that.